organizations all together one by one. That's an oxymoron, right? So let's just start. What we're going to do is fast work. So, Mr. Hariharan, the first organization that we are the first activity that we're going to start is the computer program. We have already established 5 computers, tables, and chairs have come in. We definitely need to repair some of them. 3 of them need repairs at cost of 6,000 rupees. We're still looking for that money, but today we inaugurate that so we can start reaching out to the public, even if it is 3 or 4 at a time. This is the computer center that will be starting immediately. We have a few students who have registered. Some of them are parents women who want to learn about how to handle the net and also different aspects of how to pay their bills, etc. The next activity that we are starting off is the pregnancy program. I mean, it's not pregnancy program really. Well-being of pregnant women and young mothers. We are inaugurating that. Actually, we have donors for that. Sir, please go ahead. Please go ahead. It's just a small inauguration, so please open it. Sir, Hegde sir. Women and young mothers, we have identified 10 young pregnant women who need support. We are going to give them small hampers, and a monthly we will be doing yoga with them. We will be doing counseling for them, and we will be giving them nutritious supplements on a regular basis. They will also be coming here and learning how to take care of themselves and the child that is going to be born to them. The third activity is the counseling center. For this I take great pride. Nikita, please come and take it from sir. This is the... Sorry sir. The counseling center is being conducted by Sitara organization, which is my organization. But it will be a free counseling center. We're starting off with thrice a week, and then it will move to every day depending on the needs from the need of the community. This is a counseling center for family, for child counseling, and for even career guidance and career counseling of any sort. So I've been training students from various colleges, and all of them will be giving in time, and they're actually will be learning from it. They'll be interning here. And we're going to start with 3 times a week, but it will go on. It's a free counseling center. The last activity that we are going to start this year is for our creche children who haven't been able to attend class. We are creating virtual videos for our creche children. There are copies of it. We will be sharing it with the public also. But it is to learn, looking at the developmental stages, looking at what is required for children of that age. We don't want them to miss out. Though they're not coming to school right now, they need to know and need to continue to learn. So these parents may not be able to help them. So we're going to reach out to them in a way that we can. One is through the... Thank you, sir. Thank you so much for being here. So we are going to reach out to them through these videos, and also that the teachers are going, both the teachers, there is one teacher and one helper who is with us, they will be trained to deal with children in a particular way with understanding of child development. Actually, we've come to the close of this little ceremony that we had. Why did we have it? Simply because today is a day to pay our tribute to Professor George. In humility, I say that if he has given us a little space here, I think it's our duty to take it forward and do our very, very, very best. We are trying, and I want all of you to reach out and get us that extra help that we need to run this place. The place is leaking. We need bathrooms to be done up. We have a lot to do. I want each one of you members to reach out to more people so that they can support and take this forward. Thank you very much for being here. What we're going to do now...
I know George Chan for the last 25 years. One good thing happened to me is I was not a student. You might have me off if I my studies with a student. It is not always like Padma madam are so intelligent people, very educated, that we are motivated. And thousands of people. And I used to come and meet in this first room where we used to speak to nearly 45 minutes, some long hours. One thing is, people all know what he has achieved a lot, and he inspired thousands of people, and he used to say, there is no country where I go, I don't meet students. Maybe almost all the countries, around 260 countries, there are people who are in top level position would love to come and meet him whenever he's there, express their love and gratitude and type of help he does. I don't tell you he's a very kind person, but he guides you, he's very strict. Once he convinced and nobody can change. He's so strong when he believes something, it happens. And I try to change some things which never happen as usual. But every time I come and say, let's try this with him, and I fail and go, and I learned that he's so determined when he decides to do it and do it. And he used to tell me, don't worry, Ariyaran, I'm now 95, and if I go, don't worry, no, don't cry at all that. I have done enough of things, and I see I'm so satisfied. That is what I want to say. Not now. I thought I will tell after he completes 100 years. I can 101 after, because I thought I will tell to share with people that he said, don't worry, don't get upset when I go. I did enough of that. And you won a lot of awards. Probably very close people knows, and there was a very good article about Hindu after he passed away. Clearly shows his contribution. And one of the state-of-art institution in the country, Madras School of Social Work. People with any background or whomever want to contribute to work in social work definitely know about the Madras School of Social Work, where he built it. Not only and just an institution, he made the institution to be one of the model institution. What is most of the lifetime he has spent it, and he have created. And he used to say, we used to talk about lot of other things. Not what he likes me most is I don't talk always about the social work. When social worker meets, they talks about, if they talk 30 minutes, 25 minutes, they talk about their own work and the project. And the moment other people meet them, they'll be very afraid. The guy is going to talk about the same. But my experience with George, we used to break away this and used to talk about his travel when he was young, his experience, the food he likes. And he said, there was an award when I met him, it was announced by the national government, and he said, this award can be given to somebody else, Ariyaran. Why they are giving to me? I'm just, it does not actually motivate me to contribute. I'm already enough, I did enough. And only thing people have to come, I'm not always okay, but there are other things people don't like me for some reason, because I'm very...
More than 20 years, Mr. George, there's so many times we met and so many meetings we attended, so many things. But now it's a very sad thing. Now whatever the things what we are doing, just we are thinking our Mr. George. So now again, whatever he did here and whatever he shown the path to us, in that path we are going, and definitely we are improving this place. And before this one, that is he made one committee and all. I think he chose somebody and he made it.
Something that I wanted to start in 2020, we tried our level best but we couldn't, is pay our tribute to Professor K.N. George. He was my guru. And continue that legacy in its highest meaning and trust. So what we've tried to do is we're starting the computer center. We're starting a free counseling center. Tailoring center will continue as it was very soon. Because of COVID reasons, we're not getting a teacher. I want to get a good one because then we can continue for a long time. The creche will continue as and when the government allows us to. But today we're actually laying the foundation for many little programs that he had envisaged. I was looking at a file that he had created. There was already a plan for complete computer center. And I saw that. I was telling these people to write proposals and things like that, but he'd already planned it. So it's not something new that I'm doing. When you read his files, his planning, his this thing, the way he reached out to, you can call him Robin Hood actually. He made sure that everybody reached out to the public, reached out to the community.
And I want to say a few words about him. I was associated with him right from 1985 till his death in 2018. I came here as a lecturer at the Madras School of Social Work in 1985, and then up to 2008 I was there, and then I resigned, and then I've gone to an international organization for work. During those days, I closely worked with him, and I found that he is not only an institution builder, but also a genuine human being, kind-hearted human being, genuinely interested in the welfare of the rural as well as urban poor people. Why I am saying, because he made me as the secretary of the Madras, secretary of the Karlapakkam Rural Development Center, which he established during 1981. That Karlapakkam Center was a fieldwork agency long back, even before my joining to the Madras School of Social Work. But after that, systematic work happened with the help of Italian government.
Thank you, ma'am, for your wonderful help and also for conveying that we need help to many other people and for them helping us. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. We need to come in and give him. Thank you so much. Thank you. DG Vaishnav College. I request Mr. Hegde to give them a small thank you. Mrs. Sulu Priya is ma'am is the head of that institution, and she's leading that. We have Mrs. Vijay Lakshmi she's part of this faculty, and she is the fieldwork coordinator right now, and she has been instrumental in sending us wonderful students who are dedicated to the cause and who are really helping us. They've been instrumental in the painting, they've been instrumental in arranging things for us, and some of them are here. Yes, you can yourself give it. Come. So this is also from DG Vaishnav sir. Please give it. We request Hegde sir to hand over. Vijay is also my classmate, so I'm so proud to be standing next to her.
To say a few words, he has sown golden seeds, and we are all reaping the benefits. And I'm so proud to having given our students the professional learning here. It is so overwhelming response that people used to say that such a wonderful social work professional learning and support being rendered here in this organization. I am so proud to sending my students. I never knew.
பற்றி ஒரு விஷயம் சொல்லிட்டு அதுக்கப்புறம் தான் நான் என்ன பேசணுங்கிறத நான் பேசுகிறேன். இல்லை, நான் என்ன சாதாரண ஒரு ஆள், ஒரு சின்ன ஒரு ஜெராக்ஸ் கடை வச்சுட்டு இருக்கோம், ஒரு பிரிண்டிங் யூனிட் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கோம். இந்த காம்பவுண்டுக்கு பின்னாடி இருக்க கடை தான். சார் 5 years பேக் கார் எடுத்துகிட்டு கடையில் வந்து உட்கார்றாரு. உட்காந்துட்ட பிறகு என்ன, ஒரு கார்டு ஒன்று போடுப்பான்றார். சரின்ட்டு லெட்டர் எழுதிட்டார். எனக்கு ஒன்றுமே தெரியாது. லெட்டர் எழுதுறாரு, அந்த பேர் எழுதுறாரு, என்ன எழுதுறாருன்னு அவர் எழுத பார்த்தா என்னால் படிக்க தெரியாது. ஏதோ 1-2 அடிச்சுட்டு ஃபோன் பண்ணி கூப்பிட்டா நான் வரமாட்டேன், நீ வாடான்றாரு. எடுத்தோடனே என்ன அது கூப்பிட்றாருன்ட்டு சரின்ட்டு அப்போ தான் முதலாக இது உள்ளார வரேன். வந்து அவர் கையில் காமிக்கிறேன். அந்த பேப்பரை முதலாக காமிக்கிறேன். எவ்வளோ ஆஃபீஸ் போயிருக்கோம், எல்லாம் பண்ணி எடுத்தோடனே தூக்கி மூஞ்சில் அடிச்சிட்டாரு. எடுத்தோடனே அடிச்சோடனே எனக்கு என்ன, அதாவது அந்த கோபத்தினால அவர் பண்ண ஒரு பேச்சால் அவர் செஞ்ச நன்மைகள்லாம் வந்து இன்றைக்கி நான் இங்கே வச்சுருக்கேன்.
Thank you for watching this video. Please press like button, share with your friends, give your comments, and please do not forget to subscribe to this channel. Thank you very much.